YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me out. It's a pleasure to have you here. Today I am trying my hand at a balloon pour. It's my first time. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but hey, check me out. Stay to the end and see what happens. It's a pleasure. I hope everybody is having a wonderful time, enjoying themselves and others. Like I said, all of this stuff is new. I am enjoying it. I encourage you all to try it. So this is cell activator I'm putting on top here. So I get the blow dryer and I blow it out. But as you see, it's like so much black. I'm like, I sat there for a little minute and I didn't like it. So then I decided to add more color to it because it was just too much black. So I wanted more color than just black on here. But this is so much fun, so much fun. So I'm adding colors in between. So, and I decided to do these colors because they're odd to me. I've never seen green, black, and gold and gray all mixed together. So I like trying stuff. In here, I'm just blowing it out. And I'm just loving it. I mean, you never know how the painting going to end up. And so it's just like a present, a surprise all the time. So it is so great doing art. I mean, it is so relaxing. And like I said, you have a surprise. So I sat back and I looked at it and I was like, let's clean up the sides. I liked it. So I decided to get the air bubbles out. What do y'all think about it? Let me know. I'd love it. And let me know what y'all think. And thank you once again for stopping by and checking me out. Subscribe and like.